natural health for beginners.
How to make Vitamin C Serum. Discover the secret to youthful, radiant skin with this DIY Vitamin C Serum. This video walks you through a simple step-by-step process to create an effective, all-natural serum at home. Packed with powerful antioxidants, this serum brightens your complexion, reduces fine lines, and protects against environmental damage. Ingredients and quantities: L-Ascorbic acid, vitamin C 1 teaspoon, distilled water, 2 tablespoons, vegetable glycerin or aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon, vitamin E oil, 5 drops, optional, for added nourishment. Steps: dissolve the vitamin C powder in distilled water in a clean mixing bowl. Add the glycerin or aloe vera gel for hydration. Optionally, incorporate vitamin E oil for extra skin benefits. Transfer the mixture into a sterilized dropper bottle and shake well. Usage tips: apply the serum daily on cleansed skin, preferably at night. Store in a dark, cool place to maintain potency. This easy DIY ensures your skin gets the full benefits of fresh and potent vitamin C without the high cost of store-bought serums. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.